Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss a feature that restricts billing for parties with a debit balance. To enable this restriction, open the Logic folder and run Logic Admin. Then go to Global Settings and navigate to the Sales Settings tab. Here, you will find an option labeled Do Not Allow Debit Balance of Party While Billing. Check this option and click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, restart the software to activate the setting. Now, let's create a sale entry. When you attempt to save the voucher for a party whose balance would become debit, the software will generate a message stating, Party balance will become debit, cannot allow entry.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.